Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to create fun, engaging children videos.
A is for apple, red and round. B is for bear, who's big and brown. C is for cat, who likes to play.
And this is why this is one of the smartest faceless channel ideas you can start today. Take Cocomelon for example. It is one of the biggest YouTube channels in the world with 195 million plus subscribers and over 200 billion views. This is amazing that not just that channel, even channels that are just upcoming are having billions or millions of views and they are doing so well. You don't have to show yourself on camera. You can use animation, characters, voiceover, everything can be done behind the scenes. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can generate your lyrics, how you can turn those lyrics into music, and how you can create or generate your animations and animate them, all with free AI tools. So let's dive in together and let me show you how to do this.
So guys, the first thing we're going to do is to come to ChatGPT in order to create our lyrics. This is one I created and I use this prompt. I want to create a video suitable for a kids channel age 1 to 6. Kindly create a song lyrics to sing the rhyme ABC song. You can be more specific, the kind of song. You can even tell ChatGPT to inspire you. So this was what ChatGPT gave me, which I like. I feel like it's suitable. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to do just the verse 1 and the chorus, just so the tutorial isn't long. So we're going to copy this and then we're going to head over to our song generating platform. The platform is called Suno AI and it has a free version that gives you 50 credits to use, which is so amazing. Unlike other platforms that you have to pay for, this pretty much gives you free daily credits to use. So once you log on, you're going to be on the home page, something like this. So you're going to come to this left hand side and click on create. Under there, you're going to see lyrics. So this is where we're going to paste our lyrics. Now after that, we're going to have our styles. I already have one on ChatGPT, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy the one I generated from ChatGPT. Yeah, so this is the tempo and the key. So something very, very simple and that would be fun for kids. So I'm going to put it here. And then another thing to specify here is if you want a male voice or a female voice. So I want a female voice. So let me put a clear female voice and then let's click on create. And it doesn't take long, guys. It absolutely doesn't take long and it gives you 4 versions that you can pick from. Isn't this amazing? Look, it has generated the first one. Let's listen to this. So guys, that is the first one. So basically you can listen to the 4 versions and then pick whichever one you want. So I'm going to listen to them and then I'm just going to pick one that I want and then we proceed to the next step. Okay guys, so I'm going to go in for the first one. I'm just going to highlight this and then I'll click on it and then I'll download it. So after that, we come back to ChatGPT and then what we're going to do is we're going to tell ChatGPT to create prompts that we can use to generate image for each scene. Okay, so I'm going to just tell it, create prompts I can use to generate images for each scene. Okay, so what I'm going to also do is I'm going to copy the lyrics and then paste it there of the song lyrics below. And then we're just going to prompt this and see what it gives us. So as you can see, it's giving us what each one should be for the A, the B, the C. So this is amazing, guys. Okay, we have quite a lot. So this is it. And then all we need to do, you see, it also gives us like the style to use. So this will be very, very suitable when we are generating our images. So I'm just going to start from the first one. So guys, the tool we are going to be using to generate our images is called Image Effects. It is absolutely completely free, and it is also by Google. So all we need to do is when you come on here, this is where you're going to put in your prompts, and then we're just going to place it here. I'm just going to paste my prompt here, and then we can go for the settings. So high quality, this is the seed if you want the consistent images, and then you can decide to pick whichever format you want to use. So because this tutorial is going to be for like a YouTube channel, we're going to pick the landscape, and then we're going to come back here and click on create. Then we allow Image Effects to work its magic. Guys, just take a look at this. Isn't this cute? So all you need to do is to download the one you like. I like this third one, so I downloaded it. So we're going to do this for each of our scenes, and then I'm going to show you how to animate them for free. So guys, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to come to Grok AI. Grok AI is currently free, and it allows you to turn your images into videos. A lot of people have been asking how they can do all these things for free, so I thought to this tutorial show you tools you can actually use for free. So now when you're here, you just come here to Imagine, and then you click on this attachment, click on upload file. It will take you to your downloads, and then you begin to pick your images one after the other. Click on open, and then you can just tell it to do something. Maybe they are dancing, and then make a video. Even if you don't prompt it, it uses the information it can find from the picture that you upload, and it would use that to create your video. And as you can see, it is very, very fast. It is super fast when it comes to generating videos. Guys, just take a look at this. So we don't need the audio parts, we just need the video part. Isn't this nice? So we're just going to click on download, and then after we download it, we're just going to do the same thing for the other one. So basically we come back here, we attach, and then over and over again until we do for all of our images. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to show you how you can combine everything, including your song. Guys, just take a look at this. I created this for the letter A. Isn't this so nice? So I'm going to just do the other ones, and then I'll show you how to compile everything. So guys, I'm done with all the videos. So we're going to come on to CapCut. Under CapCut is where we're going to add everything to make it a full video. So we're going to click on create project. Let's allow the CapCut to load. Okay, so once you click on create project, you click on import, and then we're going to import all our clips. So in order to make it easy to remember, I renamed the clips. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on all the clips we are going to need for this video, and then the end scene. So let's open this, and then I'm also going to import. Okay, I already imported the song. That is amazing. So we have A, B, C, D, and then the dancing parts. Okay, let me see if I missed out any, because I feel like there's one more scene. Okay, yeah, these are the two scenes. So I'm just going to add them on. So we have everything. We have all our scenes that are now animated, and then we have the music as well. So what we're going to do is, the best way to go about this is you can add your audio first. And then once you have the audio, we can then arrange our animations bit by bit. So I'm just going to drag this here and then put this here, then drag this here and put this here. Okay, so put this here. I don't know why it keeps replacing. Okay, let me just use this cursor to place it instead. This is much more easier. Yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead, add all my clips, and then we're going to arrange it based on the song. So let's just, okay, so I think we have enough already. So let's play it and see what we have. Okay, so this is where red around stops. So I'm just going to edit this back so it starts for B. Okay, so click on this. Let's click on this and then edit it. So basically, okay, so we're going to do this. So basically, we're going to make sure that our animation is flowing with our audio. Okay, so we're going to add the other parts where they are playing, where it looks like they are clapping and singing. And then at the end, we can add this one. Oh, okay, instead of this one, let's add this one. Yeah. So let's listen again. Okay, so guys, now we have our full video and that is it. So that's basically how you continue all the other parts of the song, and that is how to create a kid song and edit and add everything. So once you're done with everything you want to do, you just export it and then you're good to go. And that's basically it, guys. Very easy to do. If you follow this tutorial, you're going to get it 100%.